Right, so in today's video we're going to be looking at how to replace a blower motor on a Mark II TT. Mine's a 2008 model, but yours might be a bit newer. This should be the same thing. So this is the new one, which comes with the heater resistor. That's the heater resistor there, that little pointy things. And this is the new one. So the reason I'm doing this is because mine's actually failed and the bearings have gone in it, so it's making a right racket, and it's not as powerful as it used to be. That's another indication. So I'll show you what it's doing. So if we turn it on, like, it does work, but it sometimes makes a right racket. So the actual heater blower is actually behind the glove box, so you've got to take the glove box out, which I had to repair mine, so that's why it's not back in yet, because I knew I had to do this job. So if you come down here, you'll see these two, I think it's just one plug actually. It's the yellow plug. Let's see. Right, so what we need to do is, this should just pull out like that. Then there's like this little thing here. What you need to do is push that down. I think it's twist. You push it back? Yeah, push it back over these two tabs basically, and you should be able to twist, and it should just fall out like this. Just watch any wiring that's in the way. I've got some audio stuff that hangs down which I need to tie up. It should just come out like that. So yeah, mine's very stiff, so yeah. So to install the new one, just want to grab the new one, put it under here, watch any wires, should just push in like that. There we go, so that's in, and then there should be two little locking tabs. Might take a while just to line it up. It should just fall into place though. That's in. Like that. That's it. So you want to get it in, and then you quarter turn it till this tab lines up in there. That's in. So now we can just plug this back in like that, and you can put your glove box back in. I'll just see if this works. That noise is actually a stepper motor. Yeah, that's working. This one, see if it comes out. But yeah, that's how to fit a blower motor in an Audi TT Mark II. Thanks for watching.